All right, welcome back again. This is the website you're going to be logging on to, link you're going to go to for the Beat Lab. So up here you have two sources, two frequency sources, and you can adjust the frequency right here. Okay. This is the second source. You adjust the frequency right here. And then the bottom is them overlaid. You can overlay the waves if you want, like that, but you don't have to. You can also click the sound if you want the sound to see what it sounds like, but you don't have to either. So you're just basically going to choose two different frequencies down here until you get a picture, like on the bottom down here, this third screen, that looks similar to the picture that you see in the lab manual. So these beat patterns, these groupings right here, is a constructive interference pattern. It's where crests of this wave line up with a group of crests in this wave. But then they destruct here, and then they construct here, and then they destruct here, and then they construct here. So we're going to find not the frequency of either of these waves, we're going to find the frequency of this beat pattern. And I mentioned in the text, if you watch the short video that I did in class a couple days ago, I took a little video of a beat demo, and watch that first because you'll hear it and it's kind of cool, and you'll see and you'll understand the concept behind it a little bit better. So basically you're going to take the middle of this group and then you're going to time, say 1, 2, 3, 4 over here to 4 of them. So 4 periods. Take the difference in the time from off of here, divide by 4. That's the period of one beat. Take the reciprocal, in other words 1 over that number, and that's the beat frequency. Okay? And then there's a question in the text of the intro. What is the relationship between that beat frequency you get and the difference in these two frequencies of the tuning forks or the sources that you've chosen? Okay? You're going to do this one twice with 2 different values. And just take a screenshot of one of them and post that in your little lab report. There's not much for conclusion really. You're going to do the calculations for your beat frequency 2 times. The previous lab, the sound wave lab, you're doing 4 times. It's really short, but both of these labs are extra credit. No reason not to do them. You don't really have anything else to do today for physics, so I would do it and bump your grade up a little bit. Please, those of you that either haven't tested, some of you haven't taken the Chapter 25 test, you haven't turned in your electric bill assignment, I'm going to be reaching out to you and your parents today to get that taken care of. Thursday is the last day of anything new. We'll have a test on Thursday, and then we're going to be crunching some of you to get a passing grade. Those of you that are kind of slipping off the end and not doing much here the last couple weeks. Understandable, a lot going on. So anyways, hang in there. I hope you guys are doing well. You guys have a lot of stuff going on in your lives right now with school and all of the tragedy with the George Floyd stuff and the protests and the riots. It's hopefully a culturally changing time that you're a part of. So buckle down here for a little bit if you can. Get some of this stuff done. It's all extra credit. Tomorrow's going to be basically a work day, and then Thursday is the test on Chapter 26. As I mentioned before too, if Thursday is swamped with other exams for you, and it more conducive for you to take the test on Wednesday, just reach out to me and let me know that. Okay? Hope you're doing well. Take care.